I just got up and saw the sunrise, like actually like watched it like just across the sky. It was really cool. Breakfast.
I like to do what I want.
We're at, they don't have anything that, well, yeah, I guess that works. We're at the lighthouse. There's like get one free breakfast.
Yeah, there's barely anybody in here, which I actually appreciate.
But it's so quiet.
Yeah.
So quiet.
For once, I don't mind it. Because there's spaces, so it's not like people are like right next to us here everywhere.
Hold it in anyway.
Look at how pretty the ceiling is.
I know, I noticed that.
I want my ceiling to look like that.
Show me the kitchen, because I actually like the kitchen. But do it in a non-conspicuous way.
It's very conspicuous. Can't do it like that.
Again. Oh.
That's good, thank you.
Yeah, I like that. Like a little like alcove, it's like a cave. It's like a cave. I get so uncomfortable when I look at it.
Hopefully.
How much was the boat thing?
I don't remember. I did it a long time ago and my parents paid for it, but... And then we didn't even get to see the entire thing.
I'm just confused because the boat tour, like, in the picture that I saw, it didn't even look like you were from boat. It looked like you were on the place.
We'll see. I'm hoping that if we get to Sands Point that we'll be able to see it. It's pretty anyways.
Whoa!
Vlog. So Out there is Pictured Rocks. Out there is Pictured Rocks. Pictured Rocks is everywhere. The boat tour itself was like $45 per person, and it's like a 2.5 to 3 hour tour. And I don't have 2.5 to 3 hours. So we're here at the beach instead, and we can see them. So we're gonna. Are we swimming? Is that what you decided?
Like, I want to, but maybe I can walk this and you can swim it and I can swim the other one if you want to swim this one. So I just feel like changing in the car's gonna be really hard because I have to like actually get naked.
So we decided to stop here and go swimming instead of going up to Marquette and going swimming. We'll probably still stop by Marquette, but Hannah really wanted to swim here instead, so it's so bright out right now. I have sunscreen on, but I forgot my sunglasses in the car. But there she is. Out there. All on her own. Just living her best life. I got my snacks. So I'm good too. Me and my little introverted self will eat snacks. Be happy. We don't need Wi-Fi for vlog videos. We're now in Marquette.
I'm like completely out of it. I'm so tired right now. I didn't even drive. I'm just so tired. You get food though.
Yep, we're getting food.
And maybe there's some cool shops.
Shop till we talk. Marquette is so pretty.
I've never been.
Love it.
Oh, speed bump.
We parked in Matson Park, so now we have to walk to the downtowns because there's no place to park downtown except for parallel. And I don't do that.
I did it perfectly on my driving test, and I've never tried it after. And today's not the day.
I did not do it well on my driving test, and I have not tried it since. We're going that way.
Oh, my Uggs, even though we're walking.
It's the marina. And then way out there is going to be the lighthouse.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. You might be able to see it. All these darn trees in the way. This is what we need deforestation for. That's a joke, don't take it literally.